Hello everyone, I am Vinicius Ferrero, and in today's video, I bring you the latest updates from the Nuls ecosystem for the month of June. Remember that these updates are not just about Nuls, but about the entire ecosystem. This includes Nulswap, Nerve Network, and also Nabox Wallet. But anyway, enough stalling and let's get to the point. The first update is that Nuls is developing a tool to integrate Bitcoin as a gas fee on its blockchain network. Initially, they will start with the testnet, and then they will bring it to the main net. This update is called NIP9. Once finished, users will be able to use Bitcoin on the Nuls blockchain to pay network fees. Additionally, network validators will be able to receive Bitcoin for staking Nuls, which is quite interesting. This solution has been in development for some time, but I must confess that I am very excited to see it in action. We also had updates on Nulswap, or Nuls SEO, which is a tool that allows you to stake Nuls and receive tokens from other projects in return. In this tool, we had some new pools from partner projects such as Judgment AI, Cygnus Network AI, and Burble AI. All these projects are related to artificial intelligence. We also had another AI-related project in the Nulswap program called Ton GPU Labs, which aims to create an AI processing ecosystem through graphics cards and computers. Every month, we have several pools launched on Nulswap, and it's important to look at these pools early on. I say this because in the beginning, they can have the best returns and consequently give you an opportunity. Now a tip, always follow Nuls' official Twitter, because there are often many giveaways with partner projects. For example, there was a giveaway on May 29th with the project called Judgment AI, the same one that had its pool launched on Nulswap. But in addition to giveaway partnerships, we also have some others in today's video, such as the partnership with ChangeSwap, which is a decentralized exchange aiming to stimulate DeFi within the Nuls ecosystem. We had another important partnership between Nuls and a project called On-Ramp Money, allowing you to buy cryptocurrencies using various fiat currencies like Euro, Dollar, Real, and many others. This partnership will enable you to buy Nuls using the On-Ramp tool, and pay with 16 different fiat currencies. Guys, another update, which is actually a celebration but I thought was really cool to bring here to you, is that the official Nuls channel on YouTube reached the milestone of 100,000 subscribers. In fact, it has already surpassed this mark, and they recently received the YouTube Silver plaque. The official channel is very active with many informative videos, like the one you're watching right now. Guys, the Nuls ecosystem is very complete, and its main decentralized exchange, Nulswap, also brought updates in June. On June 25th, Nulswap announced its information panel, which brings important data about its decentralized exchange. In this panel, we can find information about its token, trading volume, see the list of tokens traded on this platform, also the list of pools and even information about the AI staking they launched for Nuls and its token swap. We can even find information about the new lending tool here, which is a relatively new tool but is gradually gaining ground. Guys, Nabox Wallet, which is a multi-chain wallet in this ecosystem, also brought several updates. First, we had the integration with the BitLayer ecosystem, making it possible to use decentralized applications on this blockchain network, which is a second-layer blockchain for Bitcoin. Within this network, Nabox Wallet has already been integrated into a platform called Nulswap, which is a decentralized exchange on the BitLayer network for trading Runes tokens, so you can already trade natively using Nabox Wallet. In addition, we also had some updates in the applications, both in the browser extension and the Android and iOS apps. Much of this update is related to bug fixes, and also an improvement in the user experience using these tools. But an important point is that support for the Solana blockchain was added, not only to use it as a wallet but also to use decentralized applications on this network. This is valid for both the browser extension and the mobile app. They even made an exclusive announcement about it. Guys, this makes Nabox Wallet even more complete. For example, you can already use the Bitcoin ecosystem through it, the EVM ecosystem ranging from Ethereum, Polygon, BNB Chain, and several others, and now even the Solana ecosystem that was recently added. This allows the user through a single application to interact with all these ecosystems, greatly facilitating their experience with blockchains. Besides that, there were a few more updates, such as the native integration in Dex Macaron, which is also a decentralized exchange on the BitLayer blockchain. In addition to the integration with new networks and new platforms, Nabox is also evolving in interactions with digital identities, such as the One AI platform. Besides a simple partnership or integration, Nabox Wallet also secured a grant, which is a kind of financial support to continue evolving its wallet solution. In addition to Nabox, Nerve Network, which is the main cross-chain solution in the Nuls ecosystem, also brought some updates. Right off the bat, we have a weekly report from the Ray network talking about its liquidity pool within the Nerve platform. which was a pool that received some incentives between the RAY token and the NVT token. In this report from May 21st, it was stated that this liquidity pool had a yield of up to 119% APR, which is quite an interesting return. This post is actually not an update, but it has very relevant information that can attract our attention to new liquidity pools within the Nerve network in search of opportunities. Additionally, we also have the creation of the Bitcoin bridge to Ethereum Classic, meaning you can move Bitcoin to the Ethereum Classic blockchain using the Nerve bridge. There was also an update to the Nerve blockchain itself, which brought corrections to the liquidity prices of the NVT pair with Bitcoin, brought greater stability for consecutive and frequent trades on the platform, and brought Bitcoin to the cross-chain function, meaning moving Bitcoin from one network to another. Yes, Bitcoin on its own network can now be transferred to other networks through the Nerve bridge. Nerve has been evolving a lot, and many of its updates end up reflecting on other ecosystems. For example, as soon as a new pool is launched on Nulswap, that token generally also enters the Nerve network, allowing you to move it from one blockchain network to another. Moreover, integrations with new tokens and new networks in the Nerve network end up reflecting in other tools of Nabox Wallet, such as the Swapbox tool, which also allows you to do cross-chain and even coin swaps. But anyway, many things happened in June, and I'm sure that next month I will have many more updates to bring to you. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like down here, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you won't miss the next content I will bring to you on this channel. Now I will stop here. Thank you very much for your audience, and I will see you in the next video. So until then, bye bye.